Man, for the life of me, I'd like to know why they did this. I mean, this is US 1 right here. This is a highway. This is a pretty decent highway. And out of nowhere, they put a roundabout right here. I'm going to show it to you guys just for fun. I don't understand why they did that. I mean, couldn't they have put a traffic light? Could they have done something else? And, you know, I don't really go to bars or anything like that, or at least not no more. Those days for me are over. But right here in the corner, there was a bike that, or there is a, I don't even know if there is or there's now. But right there, as you guys can see, yeah, it's closed now. But that was a really famous bar, I believe. So here's the roundabout. Let's take it. You're gonna relax there, lady? I thought that car wasn't gonna stop, so we took the roundabout. But there's the bar right there. And I don't know what happened, because that bar was pretty famous. I think people talked about it all the time. And when Bike Week and things like that, a lot of people used to go there. And like I say, it was like one of those places I used to get like packed. So I don't know what's the deal with that, but out of nowhere, right in the middle of US 1, they put a big roundabout. Man, what a day. What a day. I have been so busy. All I was thinking the entire day is, when am I going to get in my bike and go home and spend some time with my family and enjoy my motorcycle and all that stuff? I'm going to tell you, there is so much traffic right now. Yesterday, I actually tried to record a video and I got frustrated. There was so much traffic that I just decided to, obviously, you know, pay attention and not vlog, because, you know, like I said, it was just a lot of traffic. Gotta hate when you get stuck behind a truck. Come on, man, what are we doing here? Yeah, look at this thing. You got a truck in the front, got a car right there. They're keeping a pretty, I guess, stable speed. I got a truck coming on my left with a big RV, and I just want to get out of the way. I really do. I want to be able to pass these people, so I feel like I'm getting boxed. But man, I hate this. I really do. I just hate how all this is playing out. Trying to get out of the way. Get out the way. Alright, I feel better now. But I wanted to talk about this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you can be notified. And like I said, what a day. But I'm happy and blessed that I still have a chance to go to work. I know a lot of guys are going through issues, and I'll be praying for some of you guys out there. This is going to be a quick video, really a quick video, because I wanted to talk about this topic, because I hear a lot of guys saying things like, hey, I love riding in a pack. I really do. And I'm going to tell you, I don't like big packs. I don't, you know, I rode with a bunch of guys in the past and all that stuff. And again, it's not that I don't like it. Let me take it back. I just don't really prefer to, you know. I prefer, if I have the choice, to ride with one or two guys. I always think that is a lot more controllable and a lot more predictable, if you want to say. When you ride with a lot of people, some guys tend to be unpredictable. And again, you know, I said this in the past, if you do, that's why it's good to have a structure. That's why it's good to have somebody in charge and somebody that structure the whole ride, because like I said, that allows you to have a more predictable ride. People doing what they're supposed to do versus people doing what they're not supposed to do. But beautiful day today. I wanted to tell you a couple things that I like about riding by myself. And again, I'm not antisocial. I do enjoy people, and something just hit me right in the face. And again, you know, one or two people, to me, is just amazing. But I do like riding by myself because the simple fact that you can control a lot of things, you know. You can control the speed, and you can control the turns and the way you take your turns and things like that, you know. Sometimes you may be riding with an a guy that is really not experienced, and you don't know him. And again, you know, some people may take a turn in a different way or faster, or I don't know. Like I said, you don't know them. So some people may be going too fast and they're not used to going that fast. So let's say you're in a pack and you're going, you know, you're setting up the speed and that person can't keep up, and sometimes it's peer pressure, right? And I've been there when I got my Gixxer 750. I felt kind of pressure, and sometimes I went a little faster when I didn't feel comfortable enough. But that was my first bike, I'm gonna be honest. And again, if I would have known what I know now compared to before, I would have been like, nah, you guys could go and whatever, and I go home. And eventually I did that sometimes. You know, people were doing stupid things and I was just like, I'm going home and you guys do whatever you want to do. So again, when you by yourself, you could control the speed, you could control the turn, you could control everything that you're doing, and you could control the location that you're going. If you want to stop, and you want to stop right here because you want to check something out, you could easily stop. If you want to do whatever you want to do, you can always do that because you have control of the situation. And I like that. That's why a lot of times I go out for a ride by myself, because, you know, I could just enjoy it. And I'm going to tell you, one last thing that I really enjoy is me and my prayer time. So a lot of times I got my Cena here in my helmet, and I'll be listening to some good Christian music, and I'll be doing my prayer, and I'll be talking about things that is going on in my life, you know, things that I'm doing, things that, you know, I want to talk to the good Lord about. You know, I'll be in prayer in my helmet. And I'm going to tell you, it's really amazing to do that for me. I know some of you guys may not be believers. Some of you guys may be thinking that I'm crazy. Some of you guys may be saying, hey, you know what? Yeah, we don't do that. But that's up to you. We live in the land of the freedom, baby, right here. You do what you do, I do what I do, and I'm going to tell you, I love being in prayer in my helmet with the good Lord. To me, it's just fantastic. So again, guys, I'm not trying to hate on people that go in big rides. I think it's good, and, you know, I'm down for it, and every now and then I'd like to do that. And, I mean, I'm hoping to be able to go in the Memorial Weekend ride and Veterans rides and things like that. You know, I like that stuff, and I'm always welcome to do that. But I always hear a guy saying, hey, I don't ride unless I'm in a pack. And I'm thinking to myself, man, there's a lot of benefits of riding by yourself. You know, there's a lot of benefits of riding with a small crew, you know, 1 or 2 guys. You can control a lot of things. You can control a lot of factors, and it could be very, very enjoyable if you ask me. So anyways, just a quick video. Let me know what you guys think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.